I wasn't going to make another video, but I was hearing a bird really loud as I was opening the front door to let some air in. Go ahead, boy. Whatever they're barking at, tell it off. Woo woo! I love your woo woo, Red. And here comes Bella. Oh, thanks for sharing, Red. Imagine like you're at the fire pit this chilly Florida morning. I added some boxes from my shed that were a little beat up. And some shoe boxes. Oh, Pepper's joining us. That I had in my shed. I thought I was going to use the shoe boxes for the kids for Christmas at the one church we went to when we first moved down here. I thought he was going to the bathroom. He's not. They look so cute playing. But we wound up not. They didn't do a shoebox for Christmas or whatever, or Operation Shoebox, whatever it is. But excuse me for coughing. But I've held on to them for about 2 years. They never got in touch with us saying, "Oh, do you still have the shoe boxes or anything?" So I figured, you know what, it's time to toss them. Then there were a couple of boxes that had a tear in them, or like where the corner of the box had like a little tear, or the lid had a tear. If the lid was okay, I held on to it in case we could have used it for another box in here that maybe had a beat up lid. But I said, you know what? I'm just getting rid of this stuff. I'm not holding on to it. And then that garbage bag is just a bunch of papers that I found going through stuff. So I said, you know what? I don't need them. They don't have to be shredded. So you know what? I'm just going to put them in the fire pit. Why not let them get burned and the fire last a little longer? You waiting for the fire pit, Pepper? You could eat and drink all you want out here. You're not coming in. You go to the bathroom all of our furniture. You bad boy. The furniture isn't the bathroom. You could sleep on it, but you can't use it as a bathroom. That's not very polite. That's what I like about boy dogs. They lift their legs all over. No, I guess he's going to meet up with the rest of the crew, wherever they ended up. That's the seating area there. See that and the fire pit. You're watching the fire from a distance, having a beverage or snack, or trying to keep the littlest kids safe. Sounds like all the birds are coming from this way now. I haven't heard the woodpecker since I ended that video that I'm uploading now. No bird on the light. Get some clouds. You can always watch it again if you need more. I'm gonna hold it towards the driveway now that the garbage can isn't there. In case you want like a screenshot of it. Some of the trees can make a nice picture. I'm just gonna hold it straight ahead and with my left hand. So what is that on the? Must be a bag that the dogs got into, or maybe a piece flew from out of the garbage can when the lid was open the other day. I don't know. On a rare occasion, plastic bags end up over here. This sand pile isn't too big. I mean, it's big, but not as big as the others. There's another one in front of my shed. More near the top of the top there, straight ahead. And this is for flower pots. To hold 2 flower pots on it. Oh, that's a loud bird. I wonder how many different types of birds are in my video. All my videos. Excuse me for coughing. Oh, do I hate holding on my left hand? I always get my finger in it. Excuse me. But I need to. Sometimes just my right arm from holding it up so much. The phone, that is. Sorry, I'm so unsteady holding it today. Trees are blowing in the wind. Maybe we are going to get rain. If we get rain, if it's raining too heavy, I'll try. If it's not raining too heavy, I'll try and get in the shed and not my walk. But I usually don't get in the shed when it's raining. I don't want to bring any mud or dirt, mud or water into the shed. A couple of footprints is okay, because my shed isn't finished, so I can't just mop the floor. When this one starts sprucing again with the leaves or whatever was on it, I'll get it. I know it looks horrible now, but I forget when it starts getting all its flowers or whatever's on it. Oh, the cat's at the door. No, you can't come out, girl. And the frying pan on the floor, we just used that one for the dogs. We had some extra goodies for them. And we wash it every time, so there's still more food in there, so that's why it looks funny. Yeah, meow. You're making an appearance, Macy. No, you can't come out for the birds. Absolutely not. Go see if there's anything in the pan that you want to eat. Because if it stays too long, I'm going to dump it and wash it. Yeah, don't you guys getting sick? Oh, you know, sometimes it's nice giving them a little extra food when we get it. We give them dry food, but on occasion, if we come across some canned goods, why not give it to them? And again, here's the fire pit. If you want to just make like you're having a fire. Well, I guess it don't matter if the seats are in the back. Just trying to get it centered for anybody that wants to get a picture and a snapshot and just make like there's a fire there. Or if they're doing something on fire or fire pits, a snapshot might be nice. And there's the seating area for those that want. And there's the other flower thing along the house to, I wish I would remember when I was in the other video to get those up close to those red flowers. If I remember, I'll get it later today or over the next day or two. Hope you're enjoying your fire pit that you're imagining. Trees are still blowing. I'm going to end this in a few seconds because I have to make sure that the animals have water and enough food in their bowls. And they have snack and water out here for when they come out here to eat and drink. Well, they don't come out to eat and drink, but if they're out here and when at home, for some reason they have food and water, or if I'm in the shower and don't realize they want to come in, then they have a little something out here. Oh, there's Reddy Redback. Our red boy. Have a great rest of your day, everybody. Bye.